Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here setting up my April plan with me. And I got the notification earlier this week that this video needed to go up on Friday, and I was like, what are you talking about? That's not actually happening. But you know what? It is. It is almost April, and it is time for another plan with me. I decided to go a little bit simple for this theme. I really like the idea of doing like these little stamps. So I decided to bring in 3 colors. These are Urchin Olives. I believe they're all from the fall set, but I will have to take a look at that. And I liked this like a little bit more muted of a tone. I loved these 3 colors together, so I'm really glad I paired them all together. And so I'm just going through and setting up a wonderful big cover page. It's been a while since I've done that, so I was really excited to be able to utilize the stamps so well and put together my cover page. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm just gonna let the music play while I do a lot of coloring on this page. And now we are moving on to the calendar setup. I would have missed a wonderful opportunity if I decided not to do postage stamps on this particular page. So every single one is a postage stamp. It took quite a while, and I wanted to alternate colors, so I think that made it take a little bit longer. So every single box is 5 by 5, so then it really works out with the spacing for the postage stamps. And then I have some extra room on the side, so I decided to incorporate my master task list on that side instead of on its own page. So I'm alternating colors of the postage stamps. I think that brings a lot of, I don't know, it makes the page a little bit more dynamic to do so. So I switched it up so that it was alternating, and so it created a really cool diagonal effect with the colors, and I really, really like how that ended up coming out. So I have all of the days in this calendar. There's still enough room for me to write. I don't need much space. I have pretty small handwriting, so these postage stamps should be the perfect size for that. I did want to give a little tip, which I found while I was alternating these colors. So sometimes when you're switching colors a lot, you'll find that the other pen dries a little bit because they're acrylic, so they dry a little bit. And so what I found while I was working on this particular page is rolling the tip against a piece of paper really broke up that little bit of paint that ended up drying at the tip of the 0.7 millimeter. Moving on from my monthly calendar, which I really enjoy that page, I am setting up my habit tracker page, which I have not included in a while, but I thought that this would be the perfect opportunity to introduce some individual habit trackers again because, of course, the postage stamp, it's like, it's just such a good size for this. So I decided to do the individual postage stamps. I will put what the thing I'm tracking is on top of them. So I think I'm only including 4 because I really want to roll things back a little bit more this month. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do clean something, design something, be active, like kind of the broad based habits instead of getting really fine-tuned. So I think that will help me because this month is going to be a little crazy, just like a lot of the other months have been. So I'm hoping that that will help me keep up with my habit trackers. I've been doing a really bad job of it lately. And I need a win. So hopefully that will work out for me this month. And then moving on to the last page, I decided to make a little postcard. So I thought it would be really cute to do my monthly goals this way, where I write on top of the red line what my goal is and then fill it in the progress bar right below that red line. So I don't know, I love doing monthly goals, and I love being able to track things with progress bars. So I thought that that would be perfect for this particular spread because, again, it is a stamp theme, so I don't know. Postcard felt right to me. And for some reason, my head has gotten into a bunch of the shots today, so I'm really, really sorry in advance. I don't know why that happened because I feel like I've been doing a really good job of that. Anyways, so this is my entire spread. I add a little bit of extra stamp cuteness all around. But I hope you guys like this theme. It was really simple for me to do, and so if you want to recreate this theme, I would say go for it. It was super easy to do, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this monthly plan with me. Thank you to my patrons. You all are amazing, and I don't know, I love you dearly. You're awesome. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.